Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack any files into Rar or Zip archives on your TCL 330 SE using app called Rar. So in order to do that, we'll need to open the destination where the files are. So mine are in the CIM and then camera. You can see the few photos right here. Now select all the files that you want to pack and then press on this plus button. From here, you can start customizing your Rar or Zip file by changing its name. So it's gonna be pictures. You can set the password for this archive. So I'm gonna do it with 123. It's not essential. You can just do it without any need. So you can show password if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, and encrypt the file names if you want. After setting everything here, we can press OK. Change the file extension from Rar to Zip to Rar 4.x. I'm gonna pick Rar, and you can also delete files after archive or create solid archive. In advanced section you can find more advanced settings, and in the options you can find more options. In the comments you can leave any comment about your Rar or Zip file. Now in order to pack these files, we'll need to press OK, and the files will start packing. And here we can see pictures that Rar. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.